Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a car. Not just any car, a rocket car. I made this, the Blue Flame. The Blue Flame was a 1970s car that was driven by Gary Gablich, and in 1970 got to 622 miles an hour. Well, in order to mount this, I had to first make sure that the bottle rocket would not explode, since usually at the end of a bottle rocket's run it explodes, which is something called report. Well, I decided that in order to use a bottle rocket, since it's pretty much near 4th of July, I would need to poke a hole to release the exhaust gases to keep the rocket from completely obliterating this awesome model that I made of the Blue Flame. Well, let's see how I did that. So did you see that? That was awesome. The slow-mo footage actually was really neat, in my opinion. Well, there's nothing left else to do really, except to let this go. Let's go try it. Roll test. Straight as an arrow.
Pretty good.
Yep. We're about to go. It's a little bit windy, but I think it'll work pretty well. Have rocket number 1 on there. Need to take off the fuse here. Alright, well, unfortunately the parachute release system was giving us some trouble, so I can't do that, at least on this one, but maybe on the return we'll be able to do that. Check that out.
I'm surprised it didn't push more than that.
Yeah. Shot the ejector charge shot right through. Yeah, right through the foil. Alright, well we're gonna try this again. Well, that test went okay, but it didn't go nearly as far as I expected. And we actually burned the parachute. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the fireworks store, and we're actually gonna get a Piccolo Pete. And what those do is they don't explode at the end, so we don't have to worry about the rocket exploding. Also, we can use these same mounts, just drill a bigger hole, and put the Piccolo Pete in it. Alright, let's go do that.
That's a huge firework drill.
Yeah.
They were surprised with us. Another one.
You gotta watch the second one, man. Have a good 4th of July.
Well, we got the Piccolo Pete from our local fireworks store. It's a TNT firework. Alright, well, we're back at Asphalt Flats with the Piccolo Petes as the motors. So in order for this to be considered for a world speed record, what we have to do is get it to go there and back within an hour. And I think we don't have to worry too much about that, but let's do it. Here we go. Well, we did the Piccolo Pete because we thought it would have more thrust. It certainly had longer duration than the bottle rocket, but that did not work as advertised.
Get out of it.
Push it. Well, it had thrust.
Yeah, it did. That one did.
Yeah.
I wonder what the difference was.
We pushed it. I think it had to have a little bit of a start. That initial thrust. Well, I actually believe that was a success. On the final run, even though we didn't go both directions within an hour, what it did was it actually went under thrust after my dad pushed it. So I really believe that this project was a success. Now, I want to put a little disclaimer here. You shouldn't try this at home because these materials I used in the Blue Flame, such as wood for the barbecue skewers and foam board for the construction, are quite flammable. So you really shouldn't go around putting fireworks on it. But I did it so that you guys could enjoy it. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, well it's me again. It turns out that the reason the second Piccolo Pete actually worked better than the first was because, unfortunately, the case burned through on the side of the first Piccolo Pete, and of course I took some pictures after it had been already completed here. So that one burned through. But the second Piccolo Pete, which actually sustained thrust and gave this project what I considered an A, actually worked. It did not burn through the casings. So that's just something I learned. Alright guys, I want to wish you guys a happy 4th of July. And until next time, see ya.